Cultures, the tongue, from. You sing that song, isn't it? Yeah? What song is that? Jesus loved, not Jesus loved the little children. What is that song? Red and yellow, black and white. What is that? Jesus loves the little children. See, we have different colors. Yes or no? You go to China, Japan, Korea, like you and me. Okay. No, you go to Africa, America, very tall, and they are dark. American mandiram, blonde color, some have black, some have different color. Okay, the oba, ya rumo nigo, the tongue, you all yes, and what we need to do? But my let's what we have to celebrate. Kindness. What is it? Repeat. Kindness. Respect. Kindness and what is it? Respect. Yeah, two things. We are different. Sabade very fat. Fat. Sabade thin. Thin. What is we call in Garo? Yes. Some are tall, some are short. Okay. But what we need to show, kindness and respect. Kindness ni maya. Kansa. Kansa ko besok na nga. Ano respect ko ni maya kana barsi? Mandira na nga. Respect. Okay. So here, this is see. Can you see this globe here? Yeah. Bintang. Jaga biak ni flag on bunga. India ba chonggen ne? Here, this is a flag of Canada, Japan, and some I don't know. This is Pakistan. This is Korea. You know it. This is Britain, England. Okay, so there are many. So we have to show. What are the two things we need to show? Kindness, respect. Now the key text. Key text, where can you find? Mark 12:31. Where can you find? Mark 12:31. What is it written? Let's say it again. Love your neighbor as yourself. Garochi, who can read it from the Bible? Somebody, how you say Garo? Come on, quickly. Mark 12:31. Does somebody stand up and read loudly? Garo? There, stand up and read. Who can read louder? Someone who the E for
Mark ordered Chigani for Protocolatica. Muganipa Yana Akan Sosula Atana Dutan Hasago. Yana Bate Tata Pupa, Pupa, Mukupun Geta.
Okay, Aga Korai Nigede. Aga Korai Nigede. Mark 12, verse 13. Aro wa mangko aganan. Chi rumna 31 sorry. Where is 31?
Mark 12:31.
Okay. Mengeni gepa yan na angkang so Somsulna Antamna Gutta Kasabo. Yeah. Right? Agana. Let's repeat after me. Menggepa Yan Naa Antang Somsulna Antangna Gedan Kasabo. What is written here? What does it mean to love your neighbor? What does it mean? My meaning the one to love your neighbor. Okay? Or you can ask, but who is our neighbor? Okay? Who is our neighbor? Again, who is our neighbor? How are neighbor? And is it just the person who lives next door? So let's read here. No, it says, our neighbor can be anyone we meet. Our neighbor can be anyone we meet. Jeko, Manuva, we will meet. Okay, they can be our neighbor. Anywhere in the world, whether they speak a different language, eat different food, or dress differently, they are all part of God's big family. Wait, whoever, Jiva Mande, Yano, Bichikamde, Mukan Kuta Ganinga, yes or no? Ganaba Ganinga, yes or no? Gohati Chiango, Gohati de, Bichikamde, the class Hado. Magana, the tongue. Ang Shilong Chiango, Shilong Chide, wow, Veno Sama. The other Veno Sama is wearing classy dress. Sawa de, Tang Naki, Chola Gana, Tang language ko di ba agana garanti? Kusen, Tang kusen agana. Ang makan, they are what? God's big family. Okay, we all are God's big family. Different kusen, Tang Chola Gana, Tang Romunga, but we all are God's big family. Now, here, some of our neighbors. Yeah, Uncle Sapo, Chini neighbors. There are some. Russia, okay? There, Russia is snow. Okay, they play in the snow. Ice. Ice, Russia, snow. So snow color. Not play it, you go. In Kashmir also, we have snow there. There in Russia also. Children play in the snow. And then Africa, soccer. One of Africa, football, soccer. Soccer. Football. And in Africa, they call it soccer. America, soccer. Play soccer. Here, Australia is famous for what animal? What is this? Kangaroo. Yes. So here, they like to go hiking. Mountains. How we say mountains in Garo? They go walking and they click pictures. Trees rocks, big rocks, they go and they explore. Okay, and now here Philippines, here children, they like to play with bamboo stick. Bamboo, kamay, gana garanti. So these are some of the our neighboring family members who do like this kind of thing. Here, Jesus, come on, let's read. Jesus tells us to love our neighbors. Yes, He wants us to treat everyone with kindness. Yes. Jesus, what does Jesus want? He wants us to treat Nionabe ne mandiram ko Nionabe. This boy his hair is curly, not nice. This girl very fat. Sejak dia lagi nirok nabe ne, suami tadi na. This boy very too tall, nice. He's black. He's very dark. I like fair one. No. Nirok nabe. Aganingan isode. Umur kanko. We should treat everyone alike. Okay, because Chingade, we all are what? God's big family. Okay, we are all in God's big family. Then, so what is the question here? So, how do we love our neighbors? Right. What is number one? What is it? Be a helper. What we need to be? Be a helper. So what is it? How can we help? Maybe your friend is struggling to carry their books, or your sibling for the Maimuna, sibling, your brothers and sisters, okay, needs help trying their shoes. Offering to help is a way to show love. So helping, basako de, taan, iya de gakka mo, sawa pick up taan, sawa. Oh, saya dulu beres. Good boy. Oi, ya ba helping. Oi, ino gakka mo din kuja. Jadi mereka, ya ba helping. Oi, classroom over. Classroom basco. Saban ang niripeng there, playing or some pencil rock. Pick it up. Give it to them. That is also helping. Ya, lagi ni dong na bene. Dakchat ko help. Kodi maya kana? Dakchat ko ne. Chat na nga. Okay, number 2. What is it? Be a good listener. Okay. How many ears do we have? 2. Baita ear tunga? 2. And baita mouth tunga? 1. Oe. Ako kena bo. Mouth de sa. Ear de baita. 2 tunga. Oe. Yang dimensa? This one? Drip. And what we need to do? Listen. See. Be a good listener. Listen. Pasok ko di. Kami dipigrang maiba unginga, maiba jatringa, unginga in their studies or magtawo. They want to share. What's my share? Kami kinago. Ya nakininga. You listen. Understand? Be a good listener. Number 1 is my answer. Be a good helper. Number 2, be a good listener. Yes. Here, let's read what it says here. Sometimes being a friend means listening when someone wants to share how they feel. If your friend is sad, you can listen and remind them that Jesus loves them. Yes, you can listen and you can tell them that Jesus loves them. Okay, number 3, what is it? Celebrate differences. Difference means bintang. See here. Bintang. They are all dressed up like superheroes. Superheroes are bintang bunga mo. Yes or no? I saw in somebody's t-shirt and then so we all are different. Now change ni bo. Ya agal sako. One type, okay, sub type ni mandira only karo mandira dumade. It will be good. It will be very boring. Yes or no?
Yes.
Huh? Yes or no?
Yes.
There is only one type of absent. Absent. If everywhere absent, boring. Yes or no?
Yes.
But when we are different, it is interesting, isn't it? Isn't it? South India, South side. India map here, imagine. continue. Yeah, India map. Wait. Yeah, no de. Meghalaya, Mizoram, mai toma. Acha de, mai. Gujarat, yara tuga. Acha de. Tamil Nadu, yara. Oh, chi yang ode. Walo di mai cha. Yeah. What you call tamarind? Emily? Cheng. Bijak cheng. And coconut. Coconut kumai. Narikel toda kala. Orang ni cari di tintang. Ini tua. And if you go to Gujarat yang mana dia? Tintang macam roti, tentang macam roti. So, we all people who are in the north, south, east, west, all of us are special. All of us are what? We are special. We are very special. Now, best example Sawa. Who is the best example? Jesus. When Jesus came to this earth, Jesus said, Amadi, only, yeah, Jatni Mandira, program get Jesus went the Jews and the Gentiles and the Samaritans, everyone. Okay, Sawa this, my, like this, how you say boils? Mandiran bunga, ya mandiran bunga. Isko dia lah. Sabar, dia leg, no leg. Skill them. So he make friends with them also. Jesus make friends with the rich and with the poor one. Mandiran bunga. Isko dia with the rich one also. Everyone. So Jesus is the best example. Now secret, I will tell you. It's a secret. What is the secret here? When we love, Jen Somoit na umukanko apsang daki sa ni rokja ne. Wa Somoit yang agal sakit again. It will become very good. It will be a nama. It will be a nama biak to live. It will be a good place to stay. It will be a happy place. Sawa wants to be happy. You like happiness, isn't it? Do you like fighting? Always fighting like that? No, isn't it? Yes, when we fight, we look ugly. Okay? We want to be happy. We want to smile. So, what is the secret? What is the secret? What is this? What is the secret? Love. We need to love others like how we love ourselves. Okay. Now I want somebody in Garo to explain this thing. You don't want somebody to beat you, somebody to look down to you. So Apsandaki, you also don't do that to that person. I want somebody from the mothers, if you can explain this one. They're not Nomita. She's taking video. Somebody help her holding the camera. Okay. You don't want somebody to look down to you or despise you or not treat you nicely, you know. So Apsan, you also don't do to others like that. If you do good to others, good also will come back to you. And this is the secret. So this is the secret. Okay, if you want to be happy, you follow. Follow Kabo. So now, what is the another question here? So what have we learned today? Okay, so what have we learned today? Come on. Read it. Be a friend in the neighborhood. In your neighborhood. Be a what? Jesus wants all of us to be friends. Okay, to be friends with one another, to show love and respect to one another. So here it says, whether you are in Africa, Russia, Australia, anywhere, you can be friends in the neighborhoods. Chinati my country odonga. Chini country ni biru maya. Ah, they bisa makan ko? Where is Meghalaya? Meghalaya ni bano. Africa ma, Australia or India. Yes, we are in India. Yes. So here in India. We don't know, we might not go Africa or America. Chinga de Africa, America de yang gimana yang jauh masih jauh, but chinga India semua, India de Allah jangan semua. So we have to stay with love and respect. Okay. Now here challenge. Nah so ko this a challenge. This a come on again. What is it telling? This week. You need to nasong chakba dakchakbo le replay kabo. Understand? Yeah, this week starting from Saturday to next Saturday. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to make friends. You have to help. Aro nami Sabbath school class ko saksa igai agana naga nami class ho. Ya weekday amagi amaka tode dakchaka chikuna amagi dakchaka wapa pusi onga amapa pusi onga ya daki agana naga. Masya mungkan ne sako dakchaka bano dakchaka mai daki dakchaka ya ko agana naga. Is it clear, boys and girls? Okay? Okay, this is your challenge. You have to do this week. And next week, Saturday, Antha class, Chandenge, Angan, okay, I'll give you some examples. You can help like this. Here the example of nothing. Again, this week you can help. Okay, what is this small girl doing? What is she doing? Helping. Maybe her mommy or auntie or I don't know, but she's helping give the clothes, isn't it? Yes. Here one. Cannot walk properly. Going like this. Helping in carrying the bostu. And here. Maybe mommy, daddy, maybe uncle, auntie, Abema, Ajoma, we don't know Masija, but Misara Kuribo, she to wash the car. Okay, you can help like this. In the school, you can share your tiffin. No tiffin, you can give to tea, you can give your tiffin. And then somebody sick, you can go and give them cool makat, you can pray for them, you can go and visit them. Okay. So these are all you can do. Okay. Share your tiffin, help in carrying water, help in carrying some things. You can sweep also. There are sweeping sweeping
Roka.
You can help someone in hanging their clothes, even folding clothes. Okay, at home. Boys and girls, after school jaman, boys and girls. So my uniform dona. Go out. Yes or no?
Yes.
Shirt, long pant, you pick up, keep, fall, anger, Masya, like this, shirt, and you go out. Woo, not good. You have to help. Lekha rakho, nami lekha, muk rakho, koraina semua, koraina macam tu. Ya, tapi done, I will go. Close and keep, isn't it? Yes. Ya, tapi tuna kam rakho. things you can do. Okay, you can help others in big things. Okay, so this is the message for this Sabbath. I hope boys and girls now. So, Mai Kuba Sikia. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you all will show R for Maya. What is the word we learned? R for Maya? R for?
Respect.
Respect. What is that thing? R for Maya? Oh, sorry. Yeah, R for Maya?
Respect.
And K for?
Kindness.
Yes, these two things. Jen Somoy na song na ni juta uniform bara chola. You're keeping it nicely. Yaba my komesuka kindness and respect. Yes. So you have to practice. Practice karananga. Okay. So that's all for this service. Thank you for listening. Very patient.